we are here to demonstrate all about um, on how to make a mobile. First, you need to decide for your theme for your mobile, your balance and experiment with a non-object shape mobile. So first, we need to have a theme, or you need to think what's your theme, or what are you going to do to your object. Okay. Here are the materials on how to make a mobile. First, it is no matter what is the shape of your stick that you're going to use. The matter here is how are you going to balance your object. Okay. Now, here are the materials on how to make a mobile. First, we use a curved stick. Okay, a curved stick. Next, a straight stick. Okay, straight stick. Next, you can use also of a circle kind of bamboo. Okay, it's a bamboo. Okay, the the thread, the yarn, um, the the brush that you're going to use to paint your stick. Okay. Okay. Next, we need also how are you going to paint if there's no poster color. Okay. Okay. Poster paint. So the first we are going to do is we need to paint the different shapes of the stick. So that it's so very creative. Okay. Oh, let's start. Go. Okay, go paint ka na.
And now we will start the demonstration for the materials in making a mobile.
So, guys, you can use different colors, but make sure your colors will be very creative and it is very, cool to the eyes of the. So, during painting while you're painting the stick, you can think what instrument you will use to what instrument you will use to on how to be creative. Okay.
After you painted,
After you paint the stick, okay, let us assemble it. Okay.
for example, the stick and the straight stick and the curved stick, you need to use a yarn or a rope or whatever kind of type of string that you can bind together the two sticks. In our case, we use this kind of rope.
You can also paint the rope so that it will reflect on your object.
And you have to tie this so that it won't fall apart.
So after you tied it, as you can see, you need to balance your object. Okay. Um, I have a tip to you that if you're going to make or if you're going to balance your object, don't it tight in in very tight. Don't tie the rope very tight so that you can move the rope right side, left side so that it will balance. Okay. After you balance the first object, the curve the curved stick and the straight stick, the next thing we're going to do is at let us attach the object. Okay. Example.
In our case,
Okay. In our case, let us use the different kinds of to know this different kinds of, especially it's very very um yeah, how many days to go before Christmas. So you can use this at your door or wherever you want. Okay. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is we need to attach the object here. Okay. Okay, your object, you need to attach it wherever you want. Okay. Wherever you want, you can attach the object wherever you want, as long as it is balanced. Okay. So now, after you attach the object, you can you can make a yarn here or here that make the object
It makes the holder of the object the mobile.
next after you make it, let us let us see the circle bamboo. Okay. In the circle bamboo, as you can see, we are going to put it here so that Santa Claus will be at the center of the circle because as you can see, Santa Claus is the center of attraction. You can the bamboo also don't tie the rope very tight so that you can balance your circle or your mobile. Okay. So let us put the Santa Claus here. I wish it will be balanced. Okay. And if you want to, okay, this will be our finished product. Okay. Guys, as you can see, all materials that we have used here in our art, um, it is all scrap. The rope, the stick, the pin, the um, the decoration that we put in our object. So guys, if you want to be more creative in your object, make sure that you make sure that you're not so nervous and make sure that